Hello everyone, I Sampada Tiwari would like to introduce you for the project presentation proposal. Our track is learner. My team member includes I Sampada Tiwari, leader of the team. These are my teammates, Ms. Habiba Ansari, Ms. Pratima Jadhav, and Ms. Pooja Rajguru. And our project guide is Mr. Raviraj Jain sir. Let's move forward with the presentation. These are my top 5 ideas which we have already thought of. First one is driver anti-sleep device. This project alerts the user if he she fall asleep at the wheel, thereby avoiding accident and saving lives. Second was is wrong posture muscle strain detector. This project can measure the limits of muscle stretchability and any strain caused by it. Third one is mining worker safety helmet. This project attempts to help the miner in distress so that they receive immediate help. Fourth one is a digital IC tester. This project is very helpful for testing the digital logic ICs as there are multiple gates in each of them and those are tested at one time. It saves time and human effort for testing the IC, giving out the result instantaneously. Fifth project is food color sorter machine. Sorts fruit can be used in food processing industries for sorting and categorizing fruits items. These are my 5 parameters and their sub parameters. First one is timely completion. Second one is resource availability. Third one is social aspect. Fourth one is knowledge impact. And fifth one is cost. We have given the weightage to all the parameters. For example, timely completion, we have given the weightage of 20%. Resource availability, we have given the weightage of 25%. Social aspect, we have given the weightage of 25%. Knowledge impact, we have given the weightage of 25%. And cost, we have given the weightage of 5%. This is my first project, driver anti-sleep device. First parameter is timely completion, and these are the sub parameters. Time to learn new technology. If in this project we are learning some new technology, or it will taking time, so we have to give it 1, otherwise we have to give it 0. Time for sourcing the components. If the components are available in local areas, so we have to give it 1, otherwise we have to give it 0. External dependency. In this project, if we want some third party to make this project, so we have to give it 0. If we don't want it, so we have to give it 1. Time for sourcing tools, hardware and software tools. If the hardware and software tools are available in nearby areas, so we have to give it 1, and if it's not, we have to give it 0. Time for survey or field testing. If there is taking lot of survey in this project, so we have to give it 0, and if it's not taking too much time, so we have to give it 1. Next parameter is resource availability. In resource availability, these are their sub parameters. Mentor availability. If the mentor is available, so we have to give it 1. Otherwise, if it is not available, we have to give it 0. Such as all the other 4 sub parameters. Literature is available, we have to give it 1. Components is available, we have to give it 1. Software hardware tools are available, we have to give it 1. And training, if we want and it is available, so we have to give it 1. Otherwise, if we don't want and it if is not there in our local area, so we have to give it 0. Third parameter is social aspect, and these are their 5 sub-parameters. First is ease of operation. In this project, the project is easy to operate for end users, so we have to give it 1. Otherwise, we have to give it 0. Next parameter is sustainability. If this project, if maintenance is much, so we have to give it 0, and if it is not, we have to give it 1. Universal applicability. In this project, if our project is used in different area, so we have to give it 1, otherwise we have to give it 0. Eco-friendly. If our project is not harming any environment area, so we have to give it a 0, otherwise it harming, so we have to give it 1. Compliance with government policy. We don't need any government policy, we have to give it 0, otherwise if we want, so we have to give it 1. Fourth parameter is knowledge impact. First sub parameters, if we are using any of these controllers, so we have to give it 1, otherwise we don't use, we have to give it 0. Second one is protocol implementations. If in this project implementation is happening, so we have to give it 1, otherwise we have to give it 0. Android app development. In this project, if we need any Android app is not available, so we have to give it 1. And if we don't want any Android app, we have to give it 0. Fourth one is interdisciplinary. If our project is used in different field, we have to give it 1. And if it is not using in different field, we have to give it 0. Fifth is IoT, AI, machine learning, blockchain, robotics are used in our project. So we have to give it 1, otherwise we have to give it 0. Last parameter is cost. In cost, we have taken 8 subparameters, just like components, training, survey, mentoring, enclosure and fabrication, report preparation, publication and presentation, and PCB costing. In this project, for components, we want 4,000 rupees of cost. In this project, we don't want any training, so we have give it zero. In survey, we have given a 1,000 rupees cost. In mentoring, we have give it zero. Enclosure and fabrication, we want, so we have given the cost of 1,000 rupees. In report preparation, we have given the cost of 3,500 rupees. In publication and presentation, we have given the cost of 1,000 rupees. And in PCB costing, we have given the cost of 2,000 rupees. So next slide will be explained by Habiba Ansari. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Ansari Umme Habiba, and I'm going to explain the second slide, which is wrong posture muscle detector. And this is our second project in which we have considered the 5 parameters and the sub-parameters. First parameter, timely completion, in which the sub-parameters are time to learn new technology, time for sourcing the components, external dependency, time for sourcing tools, time for survey field testing, time to learn new technology. We have considered points like 0 and 1. There is need of learning new technology, so we have given it 0. Like it will consume a lot of time to learn the new technology, so that's why we have given it 0. Time for sourcing the components, the in required time the components will be available within us, so we have given it 1. External dependency, the components for which we have to depend on on third person, so we have given it 1. Time for sourcing tools, it doesn't require any sourcing tools, so we have given it 0. Time for survey field testing, uh, we have given it 1, because the time required for survey field testing is available and can be done within the time. Second parameter, which is resource availability, in which parameters are mentor availability, literature availability, components availability, software, hardware tools, and training. Mentor availability, we have given it 1 because for this project, wrong posture muscle strain detector, we required a mentor who can guide us within this project. So there's a need of mentor. So we have given it, and we have given it 1. And literature availability, we doesn't have any literature or any sorts of information related to this project, so we have given it 0. Components availability, the, the components required in this project are available within the market and can be locally purchased or can be online purchased, so we have given it 1. Software, hardware tools, there is little bit of software and hardware tools requirement, so we have given it 1. And training, uh, in this project, there's a required of training, so we have given it 1. Third parameter, social aspect, is in which subparameters like ease of operation, sustainability, universal applicability, eco-friendly, compliance with government policy. Ease of operation is like we are going to build a device for this project, so it will be easy to operate for the user. So we have given it 1. And sustainability, we have given it 0 because it's sustainable. Universal applicability, it's limited to some areas, so we have given it 0. And eco-friendly, it doesn't harm nature in any way, so we have given it 0. Compliance with government policy, it doesn't require any compliance with government policy or government, so we have given it 0. Fourth parameter, knowledge impact, um, in which subparameters like STM32, Raspberry Pi, ARM, 8051 series, LPC 2148. So for this project, we are going to work on LPC 2148. So we have given it 1. And protocol implementation, Wi-Fi, ZigBee, I2C, SPI. This project requires some part of protocol implementation, so we have given it 1. And Android app development, we have given it 0. Uh, it doesn't require any app development in this project. Third, interdisciplinary, it is not related to any field or something, so we have given it 0. And IoT, AI, machine learning, blockchain, robotics, it doesn't require any of part of this, so we have given it 0. And last parameter, which is cost, it in which uh, Subparameters that includes the part of the costing, like components, mentoring, training, survey, enclosure, fabrication, report preparation, publication, and presentation. TCB costing, in which total cost of the project is 18,500. Um, Overall, by calculating the overall uh, components and all the total costing, the cost of the project is 18,500. Next project, which is mining worker safety helmet, in which the we have considered the same parameters and subparameters. Uh, in this timely completion, time to learn new technology, we are going to learn the new technology, and that technology will be uh, can be learned in the specific time, in the limited time that we want. So we have given it one time for sourcing the components. The components required for this project can be available within us in the required time. So we have given it one external dependency, like we have to depend for some part of the component for the to the third person. So we have given it one time for sourcing the tools. The time required for sourcing the tool is in our limit. So we have given it one time for survey field testing. The survey for field testing, it require more time because it's related to mining sectors. So we have given it zero. Resource availability, in which mentor availability, literature availability. Mentor availability, we need a mentor who can guide us for this project, because if this project is related and useful for the miners who work in mines, so we need a mentor who can guide us through. So we have given it one literature availability, like there are so many literature and papers survey available. So we have given it one. Components availability, the components required for this project are locally available and can be online purchased. So we have given it one. Software, hardware tools. It consists of both software and hardware parts. So we have given it one. Training. Yes, we require training for this project. Some type of training of the, like we are going to learn a new technology. For this we require a training, so we have given it one. Social aspect is in which ease of operation, like it will be a device, so it will be easy to use for the miners who work in the mining. So we have given it one, like it will be easy to operate. Sustainability, we have given it zero, like it doesn't gets through sustainable. Universal applicability, like it will be used overall everywhere where the miners and mines are there. It can be usable everywhere. So we have given it one. Eco-friendly is doesn't harm the environment in any way. So we have given it zero. Compliance with government policy, we have given it zero because it doesn't require any government compliance with government policy. Fourth, which is knowledge impact, STM32 Raspberry Pi ARM 8051 series LPC 2148. For this project, we are going to work on LPC 2148. So we have given it one. Protocol implementation, Wi-Fi, ZigBee, I2C, SPI. For this project, we required some type of Wi-Fi and protocol implementation. So we have given it one. Android app development, we have given it zero. We doesn't require any type of app development for this project. Interdisciplinary, we have given it one because it's related to some field which is important and we are working on that. So we have given it one. IoT, AI, machine learning, blockchain, robotics. We doesn't have consider any type of this uh, any one of this. So we have given it zero. Cost, which is around 17,500, in which component will be of 6,000, mentoring will be of 2,000, training 1,000, survey 1,000, enclosure fabrication will cost around 1,000, report preparation 3,500, publication presentation 1,000, PCB costing 2,000. So this is the total cost of this project. Thank you. Now the next slide will be explained by Pratima Jadhav. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Pratima Vishwa Jadhav. This is our next project idea, digital IC tester. This is time to learn new technology, time for sourcing the components, external dependency, time for sourcing tools, time for survey field testing. Time to learn new technology, give आमच्यामध्ये टेक्नॉलॉजी शिकावी लागते नवीन, सो त्याला आम्ही 1 दिला. Time for sourcing the components, external dependency,
थर्ड पर्सनवरती डिपेंड राहावं लागेल. सो त्याला 1 दिला. टाईम फॉर सोर्सिंग टूल्स, टाईम फॉर सर्व्हे फील्ड टेस्टिंग. सेकंड रिसोर्स अवेलेबिलिटी, मेंटर अवेलेबिलिटी, लिटरेचर अवेलेबिलिटी, कंपोनंट्स अवेलेबिलिटी, सॉफ्टवेअर हार्डवेअर टूल्स, ट्रेनिंग. मेंटर अवेलेबिलिटी याच्यामध्ये मेंटर अवेलेबल आहे या प्रोजेक्टमध्ये. सो त्यामध्ये त्याला 1 दिला. लिटरेचर अवेलेबिलिटी ह्याची इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑनलाईन किंवा अदर पेपर्स वगैरे मॅगझिनमध्ये ती मिळू शकते. सो त्याला 1 दिला. कंपोनंट्स अवेलेबिलिटी, त्याचे कंपोनंट्स ऑनलाईन पण परचेस करू शकतो. आणि आजूबाजूला पण मिळू शकतात. सो त्याला 1 दिला. सॉफ्टवेअर हार्डवेअर टूल्स 1, ट्रेनिंग 1, सोशल एस्पेक्ट, ईज ऑफ ऑपरेशन, sustainability, universal applicability, eco-friendly, compliance with government policy, ease of operation 1, uh, ease of operation we have given 1, universal applicability, sustainability 0, knowledge fourth knowledge impact, STM32, Raspberry Pi, ARM 8051 series, PLC 1. ह्याच्यामध्ये PL 8051 सिरीज वरती आम्ही बनवणार आहोत. सो त्याला 1 दिला. प्रोटोकॉल इम्प्लिमेंटेशन वायफाय 12C, SPI 0, हे यूज नाही होणार. सो त्याला 0 दिला. अँड्रॉइड ॲप डेव्हलपमेंट, ह्या डिजिटल मध्ये ॲप वगैरे डेव्हलप नाही करावा लागणार. सो त्याला 0 दिला. ते फक्त लॅबमध्येच ते यूज होणार. डिसिप्लिनरी, IIT, AI, मशीन लर्निंग, ब्लॉकचेन, रोबोटिक्स हे काही यूज होणार नाही. सो वी हॅव गिवन 0. कॉस्ट 15,500 पूर्ण. कंपोनंट्स 4,500, मेंटरिंग 1,500, ट्रेनिंग 1,000, सर्वे 1,000, enclosure fabrication 1,000, report preparation 3,500, publication and presentation 1,000, PCB costing 2,000. हे पूर्ण कॉस्ट आहे या प्रोजेक्टची 15,500. वी नेक्स्ट स्लाइड एक्सप्लेन विल Pooja Rajguru. Thank you.
So hello everyone, myself Pooja Rajguru. So this is our last project idea, fruit color sorter machine. So as you can see, this is our 5 parameters and their subparameters. Every parameters we have given their scores. As you can see, time comprehension 5, resource availability 5, social aspect 4, knowledge impact 3, and you can see in time comprehension there are their sub parameters like time to learn new technology 1, time for sourcing the components 1, external dependency 1. Like that we have given every sub parameters their scores. In short, I could say that 1 we have given 1 for which is in our favor, which we can afford it, and we have given 0 which is out of our head, I mean which is not affordable. As you can see, Android app development. Android app development in this project we are not using any app, so we have given 0. So like that we have given every score. As you can see, cost 17,100, components 4,000, mentoring 2,000, training 1,500, survey 1,100, enclose or fabrication 2,000, report preparation 3,500, publication and presentation 1,000, PCB costing 2,000. As you can see, we have given their costs. We have searched for it. We have done research and we got them. Now our next. So this is our matrix analysis table. So as you can see, there are 5 factors, and factors are which we have selected above 5 projects, top 5 projects, which is on the left side, and on the top we have 5 parameters, which is cost, timely comprehension, resource availability, knowledge impact, social aspect, and in right side we have given scores, total scores. So, and every parameters we have given their weightage. As you can see, 5%, 20%, 25%, 25%, 20%. Their weightage is total is 100%. So, as you can see in first, driver anti-slip device, we have given 1 for the cost. Since it is low in the cost, that we have given 1. In timely comprehension, we have given 5. Means it takes too much time for it. In resource availability, we have given 5. Because we don't get much needed things. In knowledge impact, we have given 1. Social aspect, we have given 3. Like that, we have done this another 4 projects scores, and as you can see here, we got 3.35 of fruit sorter machine. So as you can see in our, so this is our final project, final color fruit color sorter machine. So we have selected this on our highest weighted scores. So thank you everyone.